Want instant insights in your reports without writing them yourself? With AI Summary and Agency Analytics, you can drag in a widget that automatically analyzes your data and generates a professional written summary in seconds. Here's how to add it to a report or dashboard section. From your dashboard view, click Edit My Dashboard. On the right-hand toolbar, click the AI tab. Then, drag and drop the AI Summary widget onto your dashboard section. The AI will instantly analyze the widgets in that section and create a written summary inside a text box. You can click into it to customize the text, change font size, color, or alignment, just like any regular text widget. Need to update it later? Click the summary box and in the right sidebar, choose Refresh AI Summary to regenerate it using the most current data. And that's it. Your reports now come with smart AI-powered commentary your clients will love. Ready to elevate your reporting with AI? Start your free trial with Agency Analytics today and start reporting smarter, not harder.